because the speaker's on. Anyway, okay guys, we are almost done with my engine, and last thing I need to do is just put my rocker arms back on. So the easiest way, what I like to do is you could do it in sequence, like tightening one, then another one. But while it's on the engine stand, the easiest thing to do is just rotate your crankshaft over until your piston is at top dead center. So before you do that, make sure you lube the top of your valve stems. Again, I like to use Lucas assembly lube because that's what I always use. Right, so put some in there, some lube on it. Lube it up nice and good. And you also gotta lube up your push rod, so let me grab those. Push rods. All right, now like I said, I just turned the crank over until the piston is at top dead center. All right, so you stick a screwdriver or anything into the spark plug hole. Mind you, if you stick something that can slide all in there, make sure you don't let it go. So we're gonna stick an Allen wrench inside. All right, Noah, you gonna turn that, Noah? Can you turn it? Okay, yeah. All right. So while you turning, you feeling for the piston, feel it coming up. Stop. All right, it's at the top. You know, it's at the top because you can feel it right here. One of these. See how far it goes in? The piston's at the bottom. This one, right here. All right, so we can tighten these two up. If you're using factory rockers, GM calls for 22 foot-pounds, I believe. But if you have performance parts, performance cam or whatnot, what I've been reading is that 26 foot-pounds seem to work just a little bit better. So. Alright, so it's pretty much that's it, and you just repeat the same process for all the rest of them. Alright, like I say, you can go by sequence, put the number one piston at top dead center, and you tighten both of those, and then like an exhaust on one and an intake on another one. It's a whole sequence to do it. I can't remember off the top of my head. Or you can just go with each individual cylinder, top dead center, torque them down. Or you can do a sloppy style and just run straight through all of them, torque them all down. Don't worry about top dead cylinder and all. Nah, but I just prefer this method. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of these, and then